All right, here's how you replace your wiper blades on a old Tesla Model S. So first, let's go here. So this is the old software, but I'm sure you can find it in the newer software too. Basically, you go to controls in this old software, go to settings, and then go to service and reset and wipers. It says right there. You just do on, and the wipers move into position. So I already did this one. It was really easy, took like 5 seconds, but basically there's a tab in here that you're gonna push and it's gonna move the whole wiper assembly out. Okay, so here's the other one. There's the tab that we need to push down. So I'll just push that down and push the whole thing forward. There it goes. I can do it one-handed, you can do it too. So I'm actually just gonna rest this very gently on the windshield. Here's the old wiper. It's missing its little thinger, so it's not really working right. Here's the new wiper blade. It's got a green cover on it that needs to be taken off. You can find these on Amazon. I think it's $20 for the pair of them, but I'll put the details in the description of this video. So here's the new wiper. It has the squeegee attached to it still. So I'll see if I can do this one-handed installation too. So let me show you that. Basically, you just want to slide this in and it should click in place. Just like that. That's easy. Go fix your wiper blades. It's cheap and it's easy. Check the description for details. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.